Ngayon ko lang din naisip
Talaga?
ngayon,
Sorry,
kasi
I brought it up.
Yeah, no. Perfect.
Hindi pa nagsisink in. Kasi syempre, sanay ako na nandyan siya lagi. And actually, up to the last moment, nag-uusap kami kung saan kami magjo-join na team. Because it was also a factor for me. Kasi kung may kakilala ako na may F2 na teammate ako na magjo-join with me at the same team. So up to the last moment before I signed, sabi ko sa kanya, saan ka na? Ganyan. So syempre parang baka maging factor yun na doon na lang din ako.
Of course.
Syempre yung comfort na ilang taon ko na siyang kasama maglaro and yung
Basically
connection
grew up,
namin.
di ba?
Yeah.
So, yun. So, disappointed ako, pero at the same time, I'm looking forward to each other's growth.
Right.
In